Hi everybody, and today is the day that our chicks are going to their new home. Those three over there we are keeping. One of them has eyebrows, that's why my mom chose it. It's pretty sad that you have to let a bunch of them that cared for you go. That you cared for go. And there's one thing I don't like. I think that one might be my Rain. My Rain. But my mom chose two of the white ones, so I think my Rain got in the box, and two of them I really liked most are in here. So it's a bit sad that I have to let Rain go. And I really don't like it a lot, but this is because they can be very noisy. And oh yeah, so we have some food over here for them to eat when they get hungry on the trip. I added a lot because you know these guys have an appetite. They're already devouring it, and I put a bunch in there. So, well, we put this food, and if you want to know what type of food it is, we have it up here for those of you who are new. Non-GMO and 18% chick starter ground grower crumble. And it may seem very thick for those chicks, but when I first fed them, they were fine. I just need to check Rain for something real quick. Hey, little guy. Mommy, this one Rain has white and black on her leg right here. Let me see. Okay, Rain.
This is the one you want?
Yeah, I like her a lot.
And put her down so we can see her with the other ones.
Okay, little Rain. I can't let two of the ones I like a lot go.
How's her bottom look? Did you check her bottom?
I'll have to do that. Okay, Rain, before I put you down for a nap, we need to check your bottom.
Let's see. It's a clean bottom.
Very clean. So down you go, little Rain.
So that one has a...
One of
one's
them
pretty small.
One of them that I had a little bit of a stained bottom, so we got eyebrows instead. But I could not let Rain just stay in there alone. She loved me, and I love her.
Just passing out already.
Yeah, she's really tired. We've been in here a long time choosing because they're all so cute. It's hard to decide. But there's one we really couldn't keep because, well, he was the bully of the group. He was always poking at she was always poking at their eyes. And we could not let that happen. It was just not very nice for our chicks in here. I love Rain. She's a good little chick who has a good speed, who has very nice speed. And she is, well, she's basically perfect.
Talk about this one. Why is this girl unique?
Okay, I need to go over there so I can get a closer view of her. And then you can use that. Okay, and then this one has eyebrows on the top, yellow eyebrows on the top of her head, and she has, and she's a black. My mom really wanted a black one, so we have a black one and then two gray yellow ones, and my gray yellow one is sleeping right now. She is very tired. How can I blame her though? We've been having a lot of chaos in here. Going into the box again. A cold, dark box, just like our old one, but with different bedding.
They're happy. They're eating. They have lots of space. It's warm outside.
Yep, and at the bottom of the box, we have their electrolytes for their new owner, to give them in the water.
Let's see if we can find those electrolytes.
I've been needing to show you guys, but they were inside the house, and so I didn't have time to leave and then go back and then come back out. Yeah, I'm gonna move away from that poop and go use it the other guy. I'm a cow girl, I'm not a poop girl.
All right, let's put one more in the box to send to its new forever home.
Which will be very hard for me to decide. Okay, just gotta put this lid on, so just gotta put that on right there. Good. They're really digging in there. I think they might need some more food. They've almost already devoured it. So here is the last chicken that we're gonna do. And so the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's see. That one has a little confetti in its mouth. So we learned that one's gonna be a good worm hunter.
You take it out of its mouth so it doesn't eat it.
He already took it out of his mouth. I bet they won't forgive us.
This one's a bigger one. Let's keep her between these two
That one's
here.
Rain, I think.
Let's take one of these and put it in the box, Lily.
Okay. That felt like a hand on me.
This one.
That one? Let me see to make sure she's not Rain.
And she has a nice mask on her eyes, so maybe we'll do this little guy.
I think this one, I don't know if this one's Rain or not. I can't
Let's do
tell.
this little guy.
Wait, I have to check that one out first. See who's Rain and who's not Rain. Okay, let's go over you guys.
Check this one out. See if it's Rain.
I don't know I don't think it's Rain, but it is really cute, is all I know.
All right, let's put that one in the box.
Sorry, little fella.
All right, let's get ready to go.
Bye, everybody. Well, I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye-bye.